Traditional rubber blades can wear out faster than your pair of sneakers. I had to replace my wiper blades every second year before the summer rain season. But with so many options out there, which one offers the most bang for your buck? After trying rubber blades, bows and boneless soft wipers, I finally found the ultimate solution of them all: silicone wiper blades. Welcome to I Refuse to Pay. This channel is for you if you believe in living life on your own terms and enjoying the fruits of savvy choices. Now, we've all heard of buy cheap, buy twice. This is certainly the case when comparing silicone wiper blades with rubber ones. Rubber blades often fall victim to the wear and tear caused by various environmental factors. Exposure to sunlight, extreme temperature and air contamination can degrade rubber blades, leading to cracking, splitting and reduced functionality. In contrast, silicone wiper blades are made from a high-grade silicone compound, which has remarkable resistance to weather-induced degradation. One common gripe with rubber blades is that the annoying squeaking sound they produce during operation. Silicone wiper blades, thanks to their smoother edges and flexibility, offer a virtually noiseless wiping experience. While silicone wiper blades may have slightly higher initial costs comparing to rubber blades, they offer significant cost saving and performance improvement in the long run. How about changing the entire wiper bow, or swap to the popular boneless soft wipers? My rule is simple: if they aren't broke, don't replace them. Wiper bows and boneless wipers are both more expensive options if you don't need them, because you are paying for and swapping out components which are completely fine. In addition to this, replacing bows or boneless wipers are not necessarily better. This is because the windshield glass of every car is shaped differently, and factory original window wipers are designed by engineers to hug the unique contour of your window shield perfectly. In order to cut cost, third-party wiper bows or boneless soft wiper usually fit a number of vehicles. This means they have not been designed to exclusively fit your windscreen. Honestly, I'm not immune to modern marketing and so-called new technology, and I bought a few pairs of boneless wipers myself. My personal experience is that I have not yet seen a third-party window wiper bow do a better job than the factory original ones. As you can see, I have now finished changing the rear wiper blades for my car. In case you are wondering where to buy them, try search online before you head out to the local shops. Some of my local shops don't like to stock them because they are so durable that the shops are losing business. I bought this blade online. It's made in Japan and is a direct import product. Rear window wipers hardly get used, so I'm hoping for it to last at least 8 to 10 years. Now, if you wish to avoid other nonsense car products, cut down mechanical bills and start DIY car service, make sure you click on the link on your screen now to check out the next car maintenance tip.